Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video. Today we're showcasing 20 genius woodworking tools from Woodpeckers in 2026 that every woodworker will love. From precision measuring to innovative cutting solutions, these tools are built for accuracy, efficiency, and pro-level results. Whether you're a beginner or expert, these game-changing tools will upgrade your workshop. Mini Combination Square. The Woodpeckers. Mini Combination Square is a compact, precision-engineered tool perfect for detailed layout work in tight spaces. Built from solid billet aluminum, it delivers exceptional accuracy for fine joinery and machine setup. It features interchangeable stainless steel blades, including a slim option for narrow cuts, and a durable brass clamping knob. The advanced Mini In-DEXABLE TM version adds index positioning, scribing guides, and enhanced stability, making it ideal for precise, repeatable measurements. Hinge Mortising Bits. Woodpeckers Ultra Shear. Hinge mortising bits are precision router bits designed for creating clean, flat-bottomed mortises for hinges and inlay hardware. Featuring downshear geometry, they cut wood fibers downward to deliver crisp, splinter-free edges, even on delicate surfaces. Available in bearing and non-bearing versions, they suit both custom templates and commercial jig systems. Built with durable carbide tips and offered in multiple sizes, these bits ensure accurate, smooth, and professional quality results for woodworking projects of all types. Polycarbonate Mallets. The Woodpeckers. Polycarbonate mallets, launched in early 2026, deliver a perfect balance between power and precision. Made from high-impact polycarbonate, the same material used in fighter jet canopies, they provide strong strikes with minimal bounce. Their non-marring head protects surfaces while maintaining durability. A ribbed steel core ensures solid construction, while the aircraft-grade aluminum handle offers comfort and control. Compact yet powerful, these mallets are ideal for tight spaces, detailed work, and professional woodworking tasks. Bench Chisel Completer Set. The Woodpeckers. Bench Chisel Completer Set is a premium 5-piece expansion designed to complete a full 9-piece professional kit. It includes intermediate and larger sizes for precise joinery work. Featuring 2 tool steel blades by Blue Spruce Toolworks, each chisel arrives razor sharp with polished backs for immediate use. Octagonal handles ensure control, while steel butt caps handle mallet strikes. This limited one-time tool release is crafted for serious woodworkers. Indexable Miter Gauge. The Woodpeckers Indexable Miter Gauge is a precision table saw accessory built for accuracy and consistency. Designed for standard miter slots, it features a leaf spring miter bar that eliminates play, ensuring a perfect fit even on worn machines. Its indexed protractor head allows quick angle settings, while the hairline reticle supports custom cuts. A durable, extendable fence with micro-adjustable flipstop ensures repeatable results. Ideal for professionals, it delivers clean, accurate cuts with maximum control and versatility. Three-flute extended reach bowl bits. The Woodpeckers Ultra Shear 3-flute extended reach bowl bits are built for precision hollowing in deep woodworking projects like bowls and trays. Their unique 3-flute design delivers smoother finishes and faster cutting with less sanding required. With a 3.5-inch length, they reach up to 2.25-inch deep, while the top-mounted bearing enables accurate template routing. A removable bearing allows CNC use, and the carbide-tipped construction ensures durability and long-lasting sharpness for professional results. Micro bearing flush trim bits. The Woodpeckers. Micro-bearing flush trim bits are precision-engineered for ultra-detailed routing where standard bits fall short. Their ultra-small diameter allows smooth cutting of tight curves, perfect for intricate inlays and small projects. Twin ball-bearing pilots ensure stable, accurate template tracking, while spiral cutting edges deliver clean cuts with minimal tear-out. Designed for efficiency, the flutes improve chip removal, preventing clogging. Available in durable carbide options, these bits provide excellent control, making them ideal for fine woodworking and professional-level craftsmanship. In-DEXABLE Miter Sled. The Woodpeckers. In-DEXABLE Miter Sled is a premium table saw accessory built for precision and versatility. It combines the flexibility of an indexed miter gauge with the stability of a crosscut sled, delivering accurate cuts at multiple angles. The stationary workpiece design improves safety and control while reducing friction. With its index protractor, micro-adjustable flipstop, and patented miter bar, it ensures repeatable results. The durable Baltic birch base and drop zone support make it ideal for serious woodworkers. Four-flute conical ball. Nose bits. The Woodpeckers. Ultra shear 4-flute conical ball nose bits are premium solid carbide tools built for precision CNC carving and intricate 3D detail work. With 4 cutting flutes, they deliver smoother finishes and faster feed rates compared to standard bits. The tapered design adds strength, reducing vibration and breakage while maintaining fine detail. Ideal for complex curves and relief carving, these bits also minimize heat buildup during long runs. Available in multiple taper angles, they offer flexibility for both detailed engraving and deeper cutting applications. Wheel marking gauge. The Woodpeckers. Wheel marking gauge is a precision woodworking tool built for accurate layout and joinery work. It features a razor-sharp wheel blade that cleanly slices wood fibers instead of tearing them, producing extremely fine reference lines. A micro-adjustment system with a knurled stainless steel barrel allows ultra-fine setting control for consistent measurements. Its large reference fence improves stability on both wide and narrow surfaces. The anti-roll body design enhances workshop safety and usability. High-quality materials ensure durability, making it ideal for professional woodworkers and serious DIY enthusiasts seeking perfect marking accuracy.
Woodpeckers Mini Square. The Woodpeckers Mini Square is a compact, ultra-precise tool ideal for checking the squareness of small tools and detailed woodworking tasks. Milled from aircraft-grade aluminum, it offers a durable, lightweight build that won't scratch cutting edges. Its 1 1/8 inch by 2 inch size makes it perfect for chisels, plane blades, and tight joinery checks. With accuracy of plus or minus 0.001 inch per foot and a high visibility red anodized finish. This USA-made square is easy to carry and essential for setup and fine layout work. Precision Square. The Woodpeckers. Precision Woodworking Square is a high-accuracy layout tool designed for serious woodworkers and professionals. Machined from solid cast aluminum tool plate, it offers exceptional stability and long-term durability. The one-piece core construction ensures reliable squareness, while precision pin cheeks provide rigid alignment and a comfortable grip. Laser-engraved measurement scales deliver clear, accurate markings, and the built-in shoulder allows hands-free positioning on workpiece edges. Its self-standing base makes it perfect for checking machine setups, cabinet assemblies, and ensuring perfect 90-degree layout lines in any woodworking project. Woodpeckers MortiseMatch. Woodpeckers MortiseMatch transforms the Festool Domino DF500 or DF700 into a stable bench-mounted mortising station for more precise controlled joinery. Its large phenolic table, integrated clamping slots, and mirror-matching alignment features make it ideal for small, narrow, or mitered workpieces. With an expanded mortise height range from 6mm to 30mm, it handles stock from 1/2 inch to 2 3/8 inch with ease. The quick mount carriage, durable build, and reduced user strain make it a powerful, production-friendly accessory. Universal Cross Dowel Jig. The Woodpeckers. Universal Cross Dowel Jig is a precision woodworking tool designed to create strong, repeatable knockdown joints for furniture and shop projects. It accurately aligns the bolt hole and cross dowel hole on the same centerline using dual-axis stainless steel drill bushings. The jig wraps around the workpiece for stability and supports multiple fastener sizes from number 10 to 3/8 16. With adjustable depth settings, laser-engraved scales, and durable machined aluminum construction, it delivers reliable accuracy for professional and DIY woodworkers. Table saw gauge. The Woodpeckers. Table saw gauge is a precision alignment tool designed to ensure your table saw blade and rip fence stay perfectly parallel to the miter slot. It features patented auto-adjusting pins that automatically center in different slot sizes, eliminating manual adjustments. A high-precision dial indicator with 0.001 inch graduations allows extremely accurate measurements. The upgraded saw gauge 2.0 adds extended reach up to 20 inches, making rip fence alignment easier. Built with rigid components and supplied with a protective case, it's an essential tool for serious woodworkers. Woodpeckers Autoline Drill Guide. The Woodpeckers Autoline Drill Guide is a precision tool designed to make perfectly perpendicular holes with a handheld drill, ideal when a drill press isn't an option. Its adjustable base and versatile fence system work on large or narrow surfaces, while centering pins and a V-groove securely hold stock. With a large hole capacity, depth stop control, and laser-engraved alignment marks, it ensures repeatable, accurate drilling. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel, it's durable, portable, and compatible with most drills. Woodpeckers Pocket Gauge. The Woodpeckers Pocket Gauge is a compact 6-in-1 precision tool that delivers fast, error-free measurements for woodworking layout and setup. It handles blade and bit height adjustments, drill bit stop collar settings, marking and depth gauging, centerline scribing, and hole depth measurement with a dedicated 1/8 inch depth rod. Stainless steel gear, racks lock in perfect 1/32 inch or 1mm increments, while reversible inch metric scales add versatility. Built from anodized, precision machined aluminum, it includes a Racket TM holder and is proudly made in Ohio, USA. Woodpeckers Posilock Tsquare. The Woodpeckers Posilock Tsquare is a precision layout tool engineered for accurate angle marking and flawless parallel scribing on large panels. Its adjustable protractor head locks from 0 degrees to 70 degrees with positive indexing stops for repeatable accuracy. The stainless steel blade features sawtooth scribing notches and laser engraved scales for clear parallax-free readings. Built from anodized aluminum for durability, it offers excellent stability and comes in multiple sizes with a racket holder for organized storage. Woodpeckers Work Holding Kit. The Woodpeckers 2096 Work Holding Kit is a precision work holding system designed for benches with 20mm dog holes on 96mm centers, such as the Festool MFT. It uses durable aluminum dogs and phenolic wedge plates to deliver fast, powerful clamping with a simple tap. With multiple dog heights, adjustable trick dogs, and support for various shapes and thicknesses, it excels in routing, sanding, sawing, and assembly tasks. Quick setup, durable construction, and optional cisterna-style storage make it highly efficient.